To link a C++ interface to Blueprints, you have to keep a few things in mind. If you want to know the basics about C++ interfaces in Unreal Engine, check out my last video. So, after you have created a C++ interface, you can let a blueprint inherit from it by opening your blueprint, navigate to the class settings, and in the details panel, you will see an interface section. Finally, you can add your interface by pressing the Add option next to Implemented Interfaces. Now, if you want to use blueprint nodes like the cast function in connection with your interface, you have to add the blueprint type specifier to your uInterface macro. And then you will see that you can cast an object to your interface using the cast node. Next, we want to declare a function in our interface. First, let's assume we only want to add functionality for this function inside our blueprint that implements the interface. For that, you can use a blueprint implementable event specifier in your uFunction macro of the function in your interface. However, one thing you must remember here is that you cannot use the virtual keyword in connection with blueprint implementable events. This also means you cannot declare your function as a pure virtual one. So, now back in our blueprint that inherits from this interface. In the My Blueprint panel, you will now find an interface section with the function you have created in C++. If we declare our function without a return value, you would also be able to create an event node that implements the functionality. But now, there might also be the case that you want to add functionality in C++ alongside the blueprint functionality. For that, you have to replace the blueprint implementable event specifier with blueprint native event. With this specifier, you also cannot use the virtual keyword for your function. Therefore, it will not work to override this function in the class that implements the interface. Instead, you have to override the following version of your function. Your function name underscore implementation. This function exists because you use the blueprint native event specifier. And this allows you to provide C++ functionality alongside blueprint functionality. One thing to keep in mind, if you override your function or event in your blueprint, you have to add the call to parent function node. This ensures that your C++ functionality for this function will be executed. Lastly, as mentioned in my last video, the cast function in C++ will not work for objects where you have implemented the interface on blueprint level. If you encounter this case, you can first use one of these options to check if your object implements the interface. Both options work for objects that implement the interface in C++, but also for the ones that implement it on blueprint level. So, if this check succeeds, then you know your object implements the interface and you can call your interface function like this. First, you have to address the interface and then call execute underscore and the name of your function. As a parameter, you have to pass in the object you want to call the function on. And if you have followed the steps before, this will call the functionality that you have provided in C++ and Blueprint. With that, you should be ready to use C++ interfaces in connection with blueprints. Like always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.